Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. If you need to cancel a Zelle payment using the Chase mobile app, keep in mind that you can only cancel it if the recipient hasn't enrolled with Zelle yet. Once the recipient is enrolled, the payment is sent directly to their bank account and cannot be canceled. Here's how to check and cancel a pending Zelle payment. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in to your account. Next, go to the Pay and Transfer section. Tap on See Activity to view your recent transactions. Find the Zelle payment you want to cancel. If the payment is still pending, meaning the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle, you'll see an option to cancel this payment. Tap on that option and follow the on-screen steps to confirm the cancellation. If the payment has already gone through and you think it was sent in error, contact Chase customer support as soon as possible to see if there's anything they can do. Now, if you've set up a recurring Zelle payment and want to cancel it, here's what to do. Open the Chase mobile app and sign in. Go to the Pay and Transfer section again. Tap on See Activity, then select Bill Pay and Zelle. Find the recurring payment you wish to cancel and tap on it. Select Manage, then choose the option to cancel the recurring payment. Just remember, canceling a recurring payment will stop future payments, but any payments already in progress might still go through.